I know.
We made it to... It's very peaceful here. We made it to... We made it to Batu Caves in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. It took us about 30 minutes to get here from the city in a Grab, and it's a beautiful day. There's a lot of people, a lot of pigeons, a lot of monkeys, a lot of stairs, and a giant statue.
Yeah, the statue is, as soon as I walked through the thing, I was like, oh my gosh. Because I guess we saw pictures of it before, but I did not realize it was as big as it was.
I think it's the biggest statue in Malaysia.
We already saw a girl get her entire bag of snacks taken by the monkey, so good start.
I'm terrified of getting bitten by one of these monkeys, and I feel like the people here are not scared enough of them. Everyone's getting so close and feeding them, and I don't know, letting them jump on their stuff. I'm scared of them. I don't like it. Some of them are like hissing, and I don't know. I don't like getting close to them. I think it's 272 steps.
Oh gosh. I'll count to make sure that's accurate. Did you already count them?
Count them like from down here? No.
All right, you want to go?
Yeah.
Okay.
So this is a Hindu temple, and there's a lot of people here now, but I read that here they have the Thaipusam festival, and 1 million people come here like at once. I think every year. I cannot imagine 1 million people being in this space and climbing up the stairs, but it happens.
There's probably like what, 1,000 right now or something? 2,000 people?
I'm never good at guessing that. Those things where you guess like how many
Jelly
beads are in the
beans.
jar. I never come close at all, so I don't know how many people I would guess are here.
I lost track. 17. That's gonna be hard. They're moving, they're moving.
Monkeys are very mischievous, and they keep stealing stuff from everyone.
Yeah. You stole that person from his tower thing.
Oh my gosh. We made it. Oh, it's like dripping.
Watch this. The cold air rushes on you from the cave.
Outdoor air conditioning.
Yeah, really.
This might be one of the like tallest caves that I've seen.
I can't think of anything else that we've been to.
I mean, how high up do you think that is?
300 feet. I don't know, that's my guess. That's probably close.
300 feet it is.
Yeah.
It's 300 feet tall.
Yeah.
Wow. such a wildlife exploration because we've seen monkeys, we've seen pigeons, we've seen a chicken, and then we saw, what was the animal right when we walked in?
Oh, there's like a mountain goat.
Like a goat or a donkey or something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Who knew? You can come to the temple and go on a little wildlife
exploration.
trip.
I read that you can go spelunking in here.
Go what?
Spelunking.
Spelunking.
You know what spelunking is?
No.
I think it's like cave exploration.
Oh, no, I've never heard that
And like
word.
you can go, there's a bunch of different routes that you can go through here and explore the caves.
Spelunking?
Spelunking.
Spelunking.
I think that's what it's called.
Batu Caves is owned by the monkeys. They run this place. they're in charge.
It looks like there's even more people and a lot more pigeons and more monkeys now, so I think we're gonna go eat. It's perfect timing because it just started raining. I'm trying to squeeze under here.
Your hair's curling up.
Ooh.
It looks so cute.
Probably from my sweat. It's got a little sweat curl. It wouldn't be a day in Kuala Lumpur without the afternoon shower, right?
It's like monsooning outside. I got out of the car and there was like a giant puddle. But we made it in here and it's covered. So that was like perfect timing that we left the caves and we are at Bolton. And we ordered so much food and I can't wait. This is the prettiest coffee I've ever seen.
That looks like a caramel milkshake. It's got like steaming.
Oh, it's so good. It's so good. It's like strong coffee and then like a little coconut. I think we ordered about half of the menu. We got the roti jala, we got meat curry, and we got char kway teow.
That almost looks like a pad thai.
It's like kind of similar to pad thai, but it doesn't have the sweetness. Like it's not sweet like pad thai, and it doesn't have like that fish sauce flavor, and this is also spicy. Should I try this?
Yeah.
So this is the curry, which has noodles also. I thought this was my favorite, but I don't know. This is...
I can tell by that face, but that looks like your favorite. Oh my gosh, going in for the fifth. You can't stop.
I can't stop eating it. This is one of the best things I think I've ever had.
Really?
You gotta try this right now, immediately. It's so good. You will not be disappointed, I'm telling you.
Oh my gosh.
Right?
That's like a...
It's
almost like
almost like a crab bisque. I don't even know if it's seafood, but it almost tastes like a crab bisque curry.
It's amazing.
Wow. 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 I wonder you couldn't eat it.
Dare I say that this is the best meal we've had in Kuala Lumpur?
You beat out yesterday's meal? Maybe?
I think it might be. Back at where we're staying here, and we showered off all of the sweat and the rain from another day in Kuala Lumpur. We have a few errands to run because it's actually our last day here, and tomorrow we are headed to a new country that we're excited for because we've been wanting to go for a long time, and tomorrow is finally the day. So that's all for Malaysia. Thank you for watching and see you next time.
Bye.
Oh my gosh, these monkeys are like hissing. Oh, I'm so scared of the monkeys.
Right here.
Oh my god.
Why is he squaring up?
Ah! Okay, I'm ready to climb
Yeah,
up
alright,
it.
let's go. I don't think they're up there on the stairs, so.
I don't know.
I don't see them up there. I think they're all that. It looks like.
Oh, sorry.
I'm gonna go first.
Okay. Can't imagine a million people being like in this space and climbing up to the cave.
How do you even get a million people in here? I don't know if I've ever seen a million people before. The most I've seen is like probably like 100,000 or something. A million people?
I think to climb up, it's 272 stairs.
Gosh, it's almost like a million people.
You're just overwhelmed by all the numbers.
Batu Caves reminds me of the Bat Cave, like from Batman. So I don't think we'll see Batman here, but maybe there will be Batu Man here.
Oh no. I'm out on that note.
All right.